Hello everybody, it's your boy KAAPUT in the house. Today, it's a good day. Today I went to my friend's place, Adam, and he helped me to fix some quiet baffles on my bike. And after that, we changed my side mirrors, flipped it down. And then I took the bike out for a ride. Went to see my sis Jill at her place to drop off a letter for her, and then I just rode around. Now I'm just riding around, enjoying. Just a short video to tell you my new upgrades to my bike. No more side mirrors. I flipped them down now. The baffle are in, quiet baffle are in. Makes the bike a little bit more quieter to ride to school. Yeah, pretty happy about that. And off we go, riding around my usual spot. Wanted to go to Nagoya Castle today, changed my mind. Wasn't in the mood. Don't want to get the hassle. So I decided to come here and just ride around, looking at all the people playing around. Many cars parked here, and I'm opening my visor when I can find it. Nope, couldn't find it. So just riding. Scenery is beautiful. And I'm gonna head back home. Had a good day today. Yeah, beautiful day. Nice breeze. People walking, drinking alcohol while walking, pretty cool. Graveyard right there. You can have a picnic there if you want. People taking pictures, so you can see all these things here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Many cars parked, people walking in the park over there, people running. It's an everything place here. You can even go and visit your relatives in the graveyard and take a run. Wow! Woo! Interesting. Alright people, peace out.